to around 10.5% in the fiscal year of 17-18, down from 12.5% 2 years earlier. Although such positive indicators show a noticeable improvement in economic dynamics and prove that we are on the right track, for us they are only the beginning of a much more comprehensive strategy. A strategy that places the private sector as the main development partner alongside of the government. A strategy that positions investment-led growth at the core of its philosophy, a strategy that aspires to an inclusive growth model and no other. A strategy that guarantees a fair access to opportunities as the right way to wealth creation for our country and our people. In other words, crowding in the private sector as we implement our development plans. It is our belief that such foundations are the optimal guarantee to empowering our people with the right tools to elevate our economy to its full potentials. But first, we have to set the right environment for such a strategy to become underway. Thus, during 2019, we will continue our focus on setting up the right growth environment for our economy. In doing so, we will continue to proceed with our fiscal consolidation plan to correct long-inherited financial imbalance in the economy and bring down the level of public debt. Develop our monetary policy framework further with focus on targeting inflation in balance with our economic growth targets. Maintain a liberalized